Thank you so much for your interest in the Embodied Practice Academy, Breathwork and Sound Healing Immersion. I just want to say right out of the gate that this immersion is for anyone interested in nervous system regulation. And I say that because I feel like right now in our day and age, we are taking on way too much information. This body was not meant to take on as much information as it's taking on right now. It's just not. And so we have to be able to not only discern what we're allowing in, which can be challenging sometimes, but we also have to have certain tools that can reset the nervous system. Breathwork to me is one of those pieces of my practice that is a non negotiable. In this training, you will learn multiple ways, multiple styles of breathwork. And I say that because sometimes we do want to amp up the nervous system, but sometimes we need to really downregulate. So you're going to learn multiple styles of breath that will support you or your clients in choosing the style of breathwork that you need in that moment. The other piece is the sound healing. And let's remember that, sure, this can be sound healing, but really it's vibrational healing. And I say that because the instruments that we're using, it's creating vibration. It's literally tapping into your nervous system and finding the places in your body that need a little bit of healing. And so it's the vibration of the sound that actually comes through. It's the frequency that comes through and realigns, recalibrates your nervous system. So these two together are incredible modalities. Again, you do not need to be a yoga teacher to take this training. In fact, my personal belief is that everyone should own at least one sound bowl. Everyone should learn how to breathe. Everyone. So if you're interested in the training, please reach out to myself or anyone on our team. We would love to have you. And I hope to see you soon. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.